We are in the beautiful city of Lancaster today, and we're at a home inspection, and this little gem that I'm about to show you is an absolutely perfect home. For my eye and what I see about what is perfect about this home is going to just wow you. So let's take a look first at this beautiful block that we are on and why it's so important for you to know why this block is so beautiful. We are in what is called West Lancaster. We are near the Antelope Valley College and a beautiful gated community with ridiculously sized homes. The second is the maturity of the trees on this block, along with how wide the street is and how nicely kept the homes are. I'm thrilled about this house. It was listed for $575,000, and we got into escrow at $565,000. And here it is. It's charming. My client has 2 children. She's buying this house on her own. She's in the medical field. And she also has another business. Let's take a look. So this home was built in 1987, and while it may seem like a blast from the past, you have to put a critical eye on exactly what this floor plan is giving. So you walk in, you have a foyer, you have a formal living space that is partitioned off with these rails, and you have this beautiful formal dining space. And then off to the side here is a charming little den with a fireplace off of the kitchen, where you can have a nice little table and chairs. Underneath that, a bar. Kitchen that has all the things that you need, plenty of counter space. So you have these beautiful wood frame doors and wood doors as well, which if you want to update, it's just a can of paint. Off of the kitchen is a beautiful laundry room with a side door access to outside. You got space for a washer dryer plus additional storage here and a powder room. We have a gorgeous sparkling pool. Look at that. Another beautiful reason why this house is a perfect house specifically for my client. Now it is giving a little bit of Fast Times at Ridgemont High vibes with this, the year that the home was built, and this little pool house that's over here. This is actually an art studio that was created by the seller's son so that she could do art. And my client is going to use this for her additional business. Beautiful space for her kiddos to play. She is relocating from the Central Valley of California. And this home couldn't be more perfect in size and layout and in location. Moving on back through the house. Great space. Here I hear my client talking to her inspector. This is a bedroom. Lovely closet space here. Another bedroom for another one of the babies. Also has storage, closet storage and organization, and a shower tub combo bathroom for the babies. And the home is perfectly equipped to support everything that she needs. And it's just beautiful.